Welcome to day 2 of our challenge, and we're going to be tackling that header image that you have. And the first thing that you want to think about are what colors would you like to be able to use as your brand. Now, you may have already decided what brand colors you want to use. That's cool. If not, you can use a tool like, I'm going to share my screen here. It's called Adobe color.adobe.com, and I'll put a link inside of the description here so that you guys can see it. But you can choose different types of colors and figure out which ones are going to work best for you. So you can try like monochromatic, and you just move this around and say, oh, I really like this color, this color, this color. The cool thing is they give you the number for that color, so then you can utilize that color when you are doing any kind of work, and you know which colors specifically you can work with. You could maybe you want to try a triad, maybe 3 different colors that work together. Usually people don't use more than 3. You might want to try complementary colors and choose a couple of those, or a compound mixture. You might want to play with shades, or you could even make anything that's going to work for you. So take a look and play with the different colors, see what's going to work for you. The other tool that I'm going to use today is called Canva. Now, Canva is a free tool that you can utilize to do all of your image work that you're going to be doing for YouTube. And the actual size that you're going to use to create your YouTube banner is 2,560 pixels by 1,440. That's the exact size that you need to be able to create it. Now, what's really cool is if you come into Canva, you can choose different layouts that you'd like to utilize. Now, I am going to undo that because when I did that, I changed my image here. But you can choose a layout. If there's a certain layout that you really like, you can just take that and put your information on into there. I like to put my call to action again for people on this image and let them also know what they can expect. So this is a tool that is a free tool, just like the Ultimate Support Group for Online Tutors on Facebook. My YouTube channel is a direct reflection of that. There's free resources and tools for people to utilize. So I want people to know that, hey, this is a free group for people. It's for tutors. It tells them who it's for. Maybe yours is going to be for parents of kids with autism, or something specific. Kids that struggle with math. Maybe it's just going to be geared towards the kids because they're older. You want to think about that piece of it. And then from here, I also have subscribe and tune in every Monday. So it's really easy to be able to create something from scratch inside of Canva. So let me show you how to do that. I'm going to just come back on over to a new one. And you'll see that they have these pre-designed images. So it already has them saved. So if you look for the YouTube channel art, it is already sized for you correctly. So you can choose that. And then if you are like, oh, I really like this kind of a layout, you just add that here. You can easily put your own image in there. You can upload your own images. I have some images that I've uploaded just recently. So if I just come on over here, I'm just going to put my daughter there for a minute, just show you how easy it is to just move it on over. And then you can just edit by clicking and then typing in what it is that you want to type. That's how easy it is to be able to create images inside of here. If you wanted to start with a blank slate, you can delete all of this out. And you can just start with a blank slate. You can go to layouts, elements, and you can go to grids or frames. If you go to a frame, it will change how everything is kind of like laid out on here. And then you just can size this to be as far as you want to go. real easy features on inside of here. So you are going to create that image. That's your goal for today, to create that image inside of YouTube, and then you're going to upload it on into YouTube. So let me show you how that works. We're going to come right on over here into the YouTube channel, and you're just going to click that little pencil button. Remember yesterday we went into customize your channel? That's where you're going to click again today. And now I can edit my channel art right on over here, and then I can drag my photo that I've downloaded from Canva right inside of here. And then it will show up here. Now, one of the things that you want to do is you want to make sure that it shows up the way you want it to show up on YouTube, on the computer, as well as on the phone, because sometimes it will show up differently on the phone. It might not look the way that you want it to look. So definitely want to check that out and see, okay, does this look the way that I want it to look on both my computer and my phone? So that is your goal today, you guys. Take a look at your image, and if you are doing a makeover and you decide you've gone with different colors, now's the time to do it. Definitely make sure that you have that there. Now, some people, they like to put their logo as their picture here, but you really want to make this personalized. You want people to really feel like this is your channel. It's, you've created it for them, you're a real person. So upload a professional photo, or a photo that really shows a good headshot of you right on up here. I am going to choose a new photo for here, because I have since kind of changed my photo. So I'm going to change that just by, again, clicking on it. And all I have to do is edit. I can go to upload photo. And this is going to change it on your Google as well when you upload your photo. Once you've chosen that photo, it's going to come on up. So once you upload your photo, that is going to be the photo that people are going to see on your Google account. So you want to make sure it's the one that you want. And after you are done with that, you are done for today's YouTube makeover. Now, tomorrow we are going to be working on, or I'm going to introduce you to a new tool that's going to help you with being able to analyze your videos and be able to use them really, really well. So definitely tune in tomorrow so that you can figure out what that tool is and how you can use it to make the best videos possible.